Hi art friends, it's Miss T. Thanks for joining me today. I thought it would be cool to do a zombie picture, zombie drawing. So you will need a piece of paper and a pencil and some coloring materials. And if I'm going too fast in the video, remember you can always pause it. So I'm gonna start off in marker, but that's just so you guys can see better at home. So I have my paper vertically up and down. And first we're gonna start off with the side of the cheek. And I'm gonna start in the middle somewhere. I'm gonna draw a line going down, but then a tiny bit out, curved out, and then back in. Something kind of like that. And we're gonna repeat that on the other side to make it symmetrical. Symmetrical is the same on both sides. So try your best to repeat that line you drew. But it's okay if it's a little uneven. So those are the kind of like the cheekbones of our zombie skull. Now we're gonna do the bottom jaw, the lower half of the zombie head. So I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna draw straight down, and I'll do that on the other side. And then curve in. And then you can make a chin if you want. So that just curves down. So we went down and then inward and then curved down again until it met in the middle on both sides. Now I'm gonna come back up here. I'm gonna start the top of the head. So come up and then over. And then I'm gonna stop right about there because I wanna draw like a big gash or like his brain popping out of his skull. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a curved line connecting the two spots. And then I'm gonna draw a wiggly squiggly line for his brain. And then maybe just like a zigzag detail. And then you can add veins inside the brain. So the veins are just gonna be wiggly lines. Let's do the eyes next. Your eyes can really be any shape that you want. For this example, I made them really big. And they're kind of, this one's like a little ovalish. This one kind of looks like a fried egg shape. Just make them any shape you want. So I'm just gonna draw a random shape for that eye and a random shape for this eye. So after you have your two eyes, we're gonna make the eye socket. So I'm gonna draw a curved line on top and do that for the same side, the other side, excuse me, the other side. And then I'm gonna come down and around like that. And I'll copy that on the other side. And then you can add another little detail here with a curved line. And then we need a pupil. So I did a big curved line and then a small curved line inside of that. And then some nostrils, oval shaped. And then we can do a little crease for the bridge of the nose. And then for the mouth, I'm gonna draw a big frown line and then close it underneath. Then I'm gonna add a shadow on the corners of the mouth. And then in the middle, I'm gonna draw a vertical line and then some more on that side and repeat it on the other side. So now we're starting to create the teeth, and we're going to use curved lines on the top to connect them. And repeat that underneath on the bottom row. And then you can draw uneven tooth lines. Okay. And then ears. Come back over here and do curved line. And then curving inward. And then curving back outward. Kind of looks like a butterfly wing. And I'll repeat that on the other side. And then a shadow for the inside of the ear. And the same thing on the other side. And then if you want a worm popping out of its head, like I have here, draw a squiggly worm. And to make it thicker, copy the same line but space it out. And then draw a circle and color it in with shadow. And you can add other detail. You can add little pieces of hair or whatever you want, and then add in your color. So you get a finished piece of artwork. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by today. Have fun. See you next time.